Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add a download PDF link in WordPress. To do that, you have to open your WordPress. I have already opened it. Here, go to your main page and then go to pages section. After going to pages section, click on add new page and we will come to a new window. Here, give a title to your page or your website. I am giving the title download file. After that, click on this right plus icon and then click on file. Choose a PDF file from your computer whose link you want to add. After adding the PDF file, go to this right section and open PDF settings and turn off the show inline embed option, and here you can rename your PDF file. After doing that, click on publish and then again click on publish. Here you can see it says download file is now live. After that, click on view page and here as you can see a download button is appeared in our page, and if we click this download button, our PDF file will get downloaded. And this is the easiest method through which you can add a downloadable PDF link into WordPress. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.